Hi guys, welcome once again in Intelligentsia classes students. Here we study about the subject and verb concord or agreements. So we discuss here subject and verb agreement. So you know students what is subject and verb agreement. We discuss here the important topics. So let me see. Here we classified first verb, and verb is two type, that is first is finite verb and second is non-finite. So here we discuss about the subject and verb agreement of finite verb. So here you see singular subject plus singular verb. This is the first rule. And second, you see plural subject plus plural verb. And here let me see to take example of this. So you see, she goes to Agra. This is the example of first. It means to say singular subject and here goes singular verb. So this follow the rules singular subject plus singular verb. And same this way you see second example, they go to school. And here you see that is go plural verb and they is also plural subject. So this is plural verb, plural subject plus plural verb. So one thing you should know students about, we have discussed here about the finite verb and non-finite verb are those which have not followed the rules of these which are we going to read here. That's the rules we have to read here about only finite verb. So this is the rules first. Now we take second rule. Second rules we take here, that is singular subject plus and plus singular subject and plural subject plus and plus plural subject. So verbs come plural verb. In these rules you see here singular subject and singular subject when we add with and, so the verb should be in plural form, that is the verb in plural form, and otherwise the composition should be this type, plural subject and plural subject, or any kinds of singular and plural subjects come and they add with this and, so the verb always comes plural. So this is the rules. Let me see the example. Example you can see Ram and Syam are best friends. So here you see students, this is singular subject and this is also singular subject, and here both the subject singular subject and add with and, so the verb here come, that is are, this is plural verb, and same this way you can take they and he. They and he, plural subject and singular subject both are add. So here you can take also our best friend. So here you see both the condition you have to get plural verb here. So this is the rules number second. Now we talk and discuss about rule number 3. So rule number 3 you have to see, that is 1 plus of and this is the form 1 of. So always you see here singular verb. So this form always have singular verb. So let me see 1 of them is good. So here you see this is the form 1 of. So when 1 of this is the form comes, so generally the verb comes here that is singular. So this types you see you can write in this way, and here you can see the mistake are generally comes singular subject and singular subject and with add with and here occasionally age is given, so you have to correct this sentence. And rule number 4 we have to discuss here. So rule number 4 is that is need and dare and used, use and ought plus 2 plus verb, and this is generally comes with verb. So this is the conditions and composition of rule number 4. First is need or dare plus verb, first form, and need, use or ought plus 2 plus verb. So here you see, let's we see example. You need not go. So here we see when need is here, so there is no need of infinitive to. Infinitive to, it means to say that is infinitive. So we have no need here, both need and dare, and for use and ought we have to use to. So example number 2, you ought to come. So here you see students, this is the ought, and here always to, infinitive to always come before verb. So this is the rules 1 to 3 and 4. After that we discuss some more rules of subject and verb agreement. Let's see